Imagine logging into an account without knowing the password. Sounds impossible, right? But this is exactly what ethical hackers do, legally, to test and secure systems. In this full course, I will teach you how password cracking really works, from beginner to advanced level. No fluff, no theory overload, just real hacking knowledge. Hello everyone, my name is ACW360, and welcome to this complete password cracking course. If you are interested in cybersecurity, bug bounty, or ethical hacking, this video will change your understanding completely. By the end of this course, you will understand how hackers think and how systems get broken. Here's what you're going to learn in this course. First, we'll understand how passwords actually work. Then we'll move into different types of password attacks. After that, I'll show you powerful tools like Hydra, Hashcat, and John the Ripper. And finally, real-world scenarios and pro techniques used by ethical hackers. Let's start with the basics. A password is simply a secret string used to verify a user's identity. For example, when you log into a website, you enter your username and password. The system checks if your password is correct, and if it matches, you get access. But here's something very important. Websites do not store your password in plain text. Instead, they use something called hashing. Hashing converts your password into a random-looking string. For example, the password admin123 might become something like this. This is called a hash. Now you might ask, if passwords are hashed, how do hackers crack them? Good question. Hackers don't reverse the hash. Instead, they guess the password, hash it, and compare it. If it matches, they found the password. 1. Brute force attack. Brute force attack means trying every possible combination. For example, trying AA, AB, ABC, and so on until the correct password is found. This method is slow, but guaranteed if given enough time. 2. Dictionary attack. Instead of guessing randomly, hackers use a list of common passwords, like 123456, password, admin, and so on. This is much faster than brute force. 3. Credential stuffing. This attack uses leaked usernames and passwords. Hackers take data from previous breaches and try them on other websites. Because many users reuse passwords, this works very well. Now here's the scary part. Most accounts are not hacked using advanced techniques. They are hacked because of weak passwords. In the next section, I'll show you tools that hackers actually use. If you're enjoying this course so far, make sure you like this video and subscribe. Because in the next part, we'll move into real tools and start cracking passwords step by step. Let's continue.